Everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today I'm going to walk you through, I'm going to be answering a question that was asked. The question is it possible to apply for both an open work permit and spousal sponsorship at the same time? And the answer is yes, it's possible to apply for both, but the specific conditions depend on your situation and the country you're applying to. In African countries, for example, the process for spousal sponsorship and work permits can vary greatly depending on the country, as each has its own immigration policies. However, many African nations have frameworks for spousal sponsorship and employment visas which allow foreign spouses to live and work in the country. So today we'll be concentrating on Kenya. If a foreigner marries a Kenyan citizen, the foreign spouse can apply for a dependent pass or residence permit, also called spousal sponsorship. This allows them to live in the country while their application is processed. The process generally requires proof of the marriage, proof of income, and the Kenyan spouse's citizenship. For open work permits, dependent or residence visa may allow the foreign spouse to work, but in many cases, a separate work permit is required for employment. However, this can vary depending on the specific category of the visa issued. It's as simple as that.